Hey guys, just an update video. Also, we've got a few new projects coming up, which I just want to briefly mention as well. So the store's been really busy, home life's been busy, and my work's been busy. So haven't had a lot of time to upload any videos. But Eric's been covering that, as you've probably noticed. There's a lot of theory that he's been adding, and he's been adding some great content. So thanks, Eric, and I hope you guys have been enjoying that as well. I'm hoping to add my part soon, probably the more sort of practical hands-on type of videos. Hopefully I'll be able to add some of those soon. So that's what's been going on with the store. Store's really taken off, actually, really since lockdown started. Don't know if maybe a lot of people are building pedals, which is great. It's a good hobby to have, which doesn't involve socializing, and you can do from your home, and it's not very expensive to set up either. All you need is a soldering iron and a few basic tools, and you can start building your own pedals. So on the topic of new projects, we have 11. 2 of those are already uploaded: a Mango Reinhardt, which is based on an orange squeezer, and the Turbo Driver, which is based on the Coloursound Overdriver, charge pumped and modified. Those are already available. If you're interested in those, you can check those out in the store. So of the other 9, we've got a couple of power supply projects. There's really something for everyone in this lot. There's a reverb and delay combination project. There's a fuzz. There's an overdrive, and we have a couple of new type of pedals that we have, which is called the Super Series, which we've called them, and they are a educational PCB. So if you want to learn about what's actually happening inside the effect, and not just something that you want to just build without actually understanding what's going on behind it, then this is a good option for that. The PCB is compartmentalized, which is in my hand, which I'm sort of flipping around at the moment, and you can see it's got the PCB's been sectioned, so you can see each part of the effect, and in the build doc it'll go through what each part of the effect does. So the Super Siberian is a modified Big Muff. We actually didn't want to just make another Big Muff. We wanted to do something a little bit different. As you can see, it's got extra pots and extra goodness. So there's 3 of those. If you see Super, that's what they are. It means it's the educational PCB. So there's 3 of those as well. So we've been very busy with this lot. I'm looking forward to actually doing some demonstrations. I've been playing a bit more guitar lately, and I'd like to do a bit more of the demo guitar pedal demo stuff as well. So I'll probably do that on some of these new effects that we're gonna have available soon. So thanks for all your support up to now. As I said, the web store has been incredibly busy. So I'd just like to say thanks for everyone who's placing orders through the store. And yeah, if you want to support us, that's the way to do it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.